Are you tired of Gmail constantly correcting your spelling mistakes before you even finish typing? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to disable spelling suggestions on Gmail on your PC with the new update. First, open up gmail.com in your browser. Then, look for the gear icon at the top bar and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you should see an option that says Open All Settings. Click on that to proceed to the settings page. Once you're in the settings page, navigate to the General section and look for the spelling option. You'll see a checkbox next to Spelling Suggestions. Uncheck that box to turn off spelling suggestions. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes to confirm your selection. Gmail will ask you to confirm your action, so go ahead and click on OK to disable spelling suggestions once and for all. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can now enjoy typing on Gmail without being interrupted by pesky spelling suggestions. Give it a try and see how much smoother your emailing experience can be. Thanks for watching.